Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 29th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on gold, definitely a very, very strong uptrend. I still think it is so extremely clear that we are currently in a wave 3. And like I've been saying, wave 3s can extend way further than you may think. There's really nothing stopping this thing from continuing up like that before it actually makes a wave 4 and a wave 5. So the trend is definitely still up. Going down to the weekly, same thing. I mean, we definitely do not have any Fibonacci bounces. We definitely do not have any breaks of structure. We definitely do not have any significant lower highs. This is obviously a wave 1, a wave 2, and that from that point on, it's all higher highs, higher lows for a wave 3. And the fact that we're right in between two fib levels tells me that eventually it probably is going to go up to the next fib level and maybe even beyond. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame is where you can start to see this trend within a trend. Since we had this end of a correction back here, we have a wave 1, we have a wave 2, and then we have a wave 3 right here. Now we have some Fibonacci extension levels on here too, and we definitely do not have a Fibonacci bounce. We definitely do not have a break of structure. So we can't even say that this wave 3, which is a wave 3 within a wave 3, is even over yet. And the fact that we're not at a fib level tells me that it probably is going to at least go up to the 2770 area. And according to the higher time frames, it could potentially go a lot further than that. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. Now on the 4 hour time frame, we got a trend, another trend within a trend. So we have a 1, 2, 3. I think what happened here is we have like an expanding flat type pattern for a wave 4, and I think there's a very good chance this is a wave 5. I think that we will eventually make our way up to about the 2770 area. And then if we break structure to the downside, okay, you could potentially start looking for shorts in a big way after that. But as of right now, we have to realize that literally the monthly, the weekly, the daily, and the 4 hour time frame are all in uptrends with no signs that the trend is over, which means I definitely would be looking for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I think what's going on here is we have the end of a wave 4 right here. This is like an expanding correction for the end of a wave 4, and it kind of looks like we might be making almost like an ending diagonal for the wave 5. If we squish this down a little bit, we'll see that we have another Fibonacci extension level right around the 2770 area. Now, we are obviously going down right now, but until we actually get a significant break of structure to the downside, I would definitely be looking at all moves to the downside as potentially nothing beyond a correction to the last wave up. So I would definitely still be looking for logs, at least until the higher roadmap time frames tell us otherwise, which they definitely have not done so yet. On the very high time frames, we're in a wave 3. On the medium time frames, like the daily to 4 hour, we're in a wave 3 of 3. And then on the 1 hour, it looks like we could be a wave 5 of an eternal wave 3. So very strong uptrends, and I definitely don't think we should be trying to trade against a wave 3 of 3, which is why I will definitely be looking for longs in an uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.